One of the common problems we find in the Azzalure bottle is that if there's product left at the end, then it's very hard to get this out and you get wastage. You see that normally if we go to remove it, no fluid can come out of the bottle. And a lot of people, what they do is use needle holders to do this. A little trick that we use here is, if we look closely at the bottle, if we rotate it around slightly, there's a gap. And if we sort of focus on that gap and let the product fall into it, and you can see where the little gap is, and you go for this, immediately we get all the, you see where the needle is here. Put the needle into the little gap, withdraw the needle back a little bit so that the compound can fall into the sort of gap, then we can aspirate out the contents, and there we have it, empty bottle.